Hey, Midnight. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Just relaxing? Huh? Doing nothing interesting today? Just walking on me? Alright. Alright, cool. You relaxed now.